Good morning, it is time to renew your information. I am Rahma Nugroho. This is ABC Brief News. So let's go to the first information. Incandescent lava flows down the slope of Mount Merapi in Balerante, Kemalang, Klaten, Central Java on February 24, 2021. Mount Merapi, which straddles Central Java and Yogyakarta provinces, emitted lava 12 times between midnight and 6 p.m. local time on Wednesday, according to the Geological Disaster Research and Technology Development Center. The first 8 lava ejections were recorded between midnight and 6 a.m., with a maximum sliding distance of 1,500 meters in the southwesterly direction. BPPTKG Chief Hanik Humaida said in a written statement issued on Wednesday.
Untuk ini teman-teman media tentunya kami harapkan untuk menangkal hoax yang beredar ya. Jadi tolong informasikan bahwa Merapi saat ini adalah erupsinya adalah erupsi dominan gas yang ini merupakan bagian karakter erupsi Merapi. Karakternya seperti itu, jadi gas, erupsi gas, dominan gasnya.
The last 4 lava ejections were monitored between 6 a.m. and noon, with a maximum sliding distance of 800 meters, also in the southwesterly direction. According to the latest earthquake data, 20 earthquake avalanches were recorded, with an amplitude of 4 mm to 36 mm and a duration of 11 until 121 seconds. On Wednesday, the BPPTKG retained the volcano's alert status at level 3. The lava and hot clouds ejected by the volcano were projected to affect areas located south and southwest of the volcano, including Kuning, Boyong, Bedok, Krasak, Bebeng, and Putih. So that's all for today's information. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in advance. I'm Aryo Rahma Nugroho. This is ABC Brief News.
Aku tahu ayah khawatir, tapi aku bisa kok jaga diri.
Nah, gampang kan? Sekarang tinggal ngomong langsung sama ayah. Ayah, mau teh?
Ya, aku boleh nggak pergi nonton konser sama
Nggak boleh.
Oh, oke.
Kalau bukan ayah yang nganterin.
Lebih berani bicara dengan kehangatan rasa dan aroma sari wangi.